Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable or disable mouse pointer trails in Windows 10. For your information, initially, mouse pointer trails were developed for LCD monitors, which had slow response times. Although it is no longer necessary for modern LCD screens, this feature is still useful if you have visual difficulties. A mouse trail follows the mouse pointer path around the screen. It is basically an accessibility feature that makes it easier for users with impaired vision to see the mouse pointer and track its movement. You can enable or disable mouse pointer trails in Windows 10 using the Mouse Properties dialog. Here is how to do it. How to turn on or off mouse pointer trails in Windows 10. To enable or disable mouse pointer trails in Windows 10, first, open Windows 10 settings by pressing the Windows +I hotkey or any other method you prefer to use. Then, click on Devices in the Settings window. After that, select Mouse under Devices. On the right pane, click the link Additional Mouse Options. When you're done, the Mouse Properties window will appear on the screen. Here, switch to the Pointer Options tab. Then, check Display Pointer Trails option to enable this feature. Unchecking the Display Pointer Trails option will disable this feature. Now, click the Apply button and then OK button to save the changes. Once you complete the above steps, your PC will show or hide the pointer trails when you move your cursor on the screen. That's it. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Let me know via comment how this video is. Do you like more videos? Subscribe to our channel, Garup Windows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.